What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you enjoyed that last one. Deck almost wrapped up. I'm jumping onto this daybed area, and this whole vlog is going to be dedicated to this hanging daybed area. We're actually using an actual mattress on this thing, so it's going to be super comfortable. It's got a waterproof cover. It's going to be hanging from this chains of victory. It's going to be crazy, so make sure you hit subscribe. Stay tuned. So I'm over here in the daybed area. You can see it's a nice shady area of the yard. We've got this little corner. It's going to be a nice little retreat. So what we're going to do here, you can see we've already got some of this ground dug out. We're going to have a floating deck here. So we're going to fill this up with 3/4 clean stone. That is going to be the base for our deck. A frame is going to sit right on top of that. And then we're going to have, similar to the deck over here, show them the arches. So we're gonna have arches on both sides here, privacy wall on this side, so it's gonna be a nice, intimate, quiet space. It's gonna be beautiful, it's gonna be amazing. And then from those arches, we're gonna hang chains, and that is gonna be the daybed platform, which is going to be suspended in the air, and it'll just be like swaying very easily in the breeze. We'll have a shade sail above it. It's just gonna be like the most awesome little daybed cabana area where you can chill, read, hang out with your friends. Whatever you wanna do, none of my business, but it's gonna be a sweet place to do it. Pat, I was just in the basement working on the machine. Anyway, we got our pad here all leveled. You saw how we did that with the screed pipes and a level. Really super simple here. So we're gonna take these screed pipes out. We're gonna run the compactor over this. We're gonna get our outer frame installed. We're gonna check it for level. Then we'll start throwing joists in. And the nice thing about this, we can make adjustments with this. It's gonna be one entire unit, so the force is dispersed across the whole thing. It's acting as one piece. Compact this, start building the frame, then we'll get to the fun stuff. Pat, are you excited? All right. Wow. All right, the boys are finishing up laying down those field boards. Once they get those done, they'll start cutting in for the border. But while they're doing that, I'm gonna start cutting all the pieces for those arches. It's gonna be the same style as this. So the arches are all Deckorators Khaya 5.5 solid square edge boards. So it's pretty easy. It's a bunch of repetitive cuts, so I know I need 4 at 98 1/8. Then I'm gonna install those, then I can measure for the legs, and then keep it rolling so that we can get this thing up. It's gonna be raining soon, so hopefully we can get at least some of this up so that tomorrow we can totally finish this area up and get onto the pavers. So we've got these arches all wrapped up. You can see this nice little detail here. 5.5, 5.5. Everything works out with no cuts. Just wraps around real nice, has that little reveal. Easy enough to do, and it looks freaking awesome. Also got all the decking down. Let's check in on Tony, see what he's doing. What we got going on here, Tony?
Oh, daybed.
What?
A daybed.
Frame the bed. We're gonna wrap it with 7 1/4 Khaya boards as a perimeter. Just on the perimeter, the bed's gonna sit right inside of that to give it a nice finished edge. And right now I'm gonna do a little pre-build for you guys. Figured I'd pocket joint all these miters, build it, and then when we're ready to set it, we can just plop it down, screw it down.
The whole thing?
The whole thing.
That's awesome. I like that.
That's what I'm gonna
Good
do.
idea. So here is the frame for the bed. This is what's gonna be hanging in the air. And you can see we just built it with 2x4s, framed it out, and it's gonna be holding a lot of weight. A lot of people might be sitting on this thing. So we put this cat underneath, structural screws into each piece. So it's really nice and stiff now. And I think it's gonna support this really well.
I'd sit on it, lay on it, both. My whole family.
We hit 100,000 subscribers today.
What?
Yep.
Did you get your plaque?
No, not yet.
When do you get it?
I don't know.
Can I take a picture with it?
Yeah,
I'm so excited.
I know.
It's a lot of eyes. It's 200,000 eyes on us. The reason why I wanted to pocket screw this, I'm never too worried about my long points because everybody puts that directional screw through the edge to keep that tight. I'm more worried about my short point opening up. So that's why I have those 3 pocket screws right there to hold that short point. That's a nice miter.
I don't have my glasses, my sunglasses today. I can't even see anything. Pat, do I look weird? Am I gonna scare people? Yes? Okay. So we have our bed right here. It's upside down at the moment. You saw these structural screws that we have in here. Anthony's doing one of his favorite tasks. He's ripping a channel into this because this is gonna be suspended by some 3/4 inch rope. Really nice, sweet looking, you know, top quality kind of rope. So we're gonna have that coming down from the top of the beam. It's gonna go underneath the bed along this, so it's supported the whole way. And then we're gonna cut this into 4 pieces. We'll have basically like a little clamp. So the rope's gonna go in here and it's not gonna be able to move. Pat, what's it gonna be?
Locked in for justice.
Yoo-hoo!
So yeah, we're gonna get this ripped down. Then we can go to hang it, and I've done a lot of research on different knots, so it's not gonna be a problem. You filming?
Yep.
Okay, so you can see the rope that we have here, 3/4 inch rope. Come on, let me show you the double figure 8 knot I did.
Why do you always do come on? I'm filming you. I'm going to go wherever you go.
Okay, all right. I don't know, it's a good segue. God. Here's my double figure 8 knot. It's not gonna go anywhere. So we have it going down through here, as you can kind of see already. It's going up through here, and it's going along the back. You want to show them that? Go show them that.
Nice.
And we're going to do another double figure 8 knot on this. So I'm going to show you how to do that and how not to do it. All right, that's enough of the knot puns. This is sturdy. Oh God. There you go. Well, Oh god.
Pat?
I'm
Jose, over
filming
here.
right now.
Get that
Keep it on the inside for now.
Yeah.
So hold that, yeah.
What's gonna stop the ropes from going in?
We're gonna put those clamps on it.
Oh, okay.
Go down a lot more. Alright, take it easy.
At first I thought this was stupid, and now it looks pretty cool.
It looks dope. You gotta lift this up a little bit.
Yes,
to
sir.
take tension off.
Yes, sir. Alright, drop it down more.
More?
No, I don't know.
You need Josh.
You put it.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, there you go.
No, this way is you just gotta move it, the bed this like.
Yeah.
You gotta lift this up, take slack off of it, and you feed it. There you go. Lower.
This looks sweet.
Josh, sit on it.
No, he's too big.
I got a good grip on it.
Alright, sit on it.
We're standing.
No,
on it.
actually, just don't.
No, why? We gotta test it.
Because it's gonna go. Oh, that's pretty sturdy.
That's what I mean. I have this.
Oh, that's sexy. Well, Jose should sit on here too. Alright, Jose, you sit there.
Should just drop it.
Alright, get off of it.
Alright, sorry.
Alright, this is the money knot. I only got one shot at this. Alright, so I went under, now I'm going over. Over one more time. This is hard with a lot of slack on this, but I'm scared to cut it till we got it right. Under. Now we go true to bunny hole. All right, let's get it back on there. Check out my double figure 8 knot. I'm very proud of it. Not bad.
How are things going today, Aunt?
Good.
Sean getting on your nerves?
Never. You just like dealing with a little kid who sees something shiny every 10 minutes.
Oh, no way. Oh, yeah, that's... Oh my god, this is actually amazing. Give this a rock. It's seriously the... What?
Get off it.
Why? Oh, we gotta test it.
Oh, jeez.
Oh god. Scared.
I could live here.
This is really, really nice. The slight sway.
I'm doing it.
Oh, you're doing it? Is your foot on the ground?
Don't touch the ground.
I'm not even close. All right, we got the daybed.
Daybed is made.
The mattress is on it.
Yep.
Now,
Nice.
yeah, but I'm sensing it.
Kind of boring.
Yeah,
But it's
what-
nice.
What if you want to get your drink on?
Yeah, you
while you're
can't.
on
We
it?
can put it on the bed. It's gonna spill.
It will. Yeah.
You can make a serving tray.
No.
Nah.
Nah.
It's not a hotel. We're not building
No.
hotels here.
No. So what could possibly
A backrest. Backrest. We can put. We
Yup.
can lean throw pillows.
Check this out.
What?
armrests as well? Both. Both.
Let's do it.
Yep, that's right. We're going to be building a backrest and armrests on this thing so that, you know, you can set some pillows on it. So we're gonna do the same detail that we did for the posts. We're gonna rip down 2x4s, which we actually already did, to 3 inches. We'll have deck boards on both sides, and then that'll leave a 1/4 inch reveal on both sides for our 5.5 inch Khaya cap. So it's gonna match everything. It's gonna look beautiful, and it's gonna be a perfect spot to put some pillows, lean up against it, and then you'll also have an armrest, so you know, you can put your drink on there when you're trying to get your swerve on. Let's get to it. Look at that cut, baby. Miter. I think this might or might not do, but probably will. It's looking good. God, do you think people are getting tired of these puns? Got it all done, leveled it out. It's freaking beautiful. We had a little bit of an issue because we added this backrest and the armrest. The weight distribution was a little bit off, so we had to play with it quite a bit to get it level, but it's sitting beautifully right now. Whew, it's relaxing. Be nice to have a pillow though, I will tell you that. Oh, that's really nice, actually. Well, we got the hanging day bed up. It is all locked in for justice. We got Tony here, as you can see. He's working on a little privacy wall action. But we're gonna have to cover that in the next video because we're also simultaneously gonna be working on this wall and this sick patio. So make sure you tune into the next episode. I hope you liked it. Make sure you hit subscribe, and until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.